In rational equation, we have to do is take all the denominator and then multiply in each numerator. That's it. That's the only thing you have to do. I'll give you an example. So there we have 4x and 2. I put it red color because it's negative. So if we're gonna rewrite it, it will be 1 multiple of 4 multiple of x multiple of 2 now over 4. So what you're gonna do here is we will cancel out 4. Oh, it's a little bit laggy. So we will cancel out 4. The remainder will be 1 multiple of x multiple of 2. Now let's do after we finishing the first one, let's do the second one. 3 so 3 over x. Now it's gonna be multiplied by 4 multiplied by x multiplied by 2. So as you can see here, we will cancel out x. So it will be equal to 3 multiple of 4 multiple of 2. So let's rearrange it. So now we'll do 1/2, negative 1/2. So negative 1 multiple of 4 multiple of x and then multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. So it's over 2 because there's a 2 on the bottom. So what will happen, it will cancel out and it will be left out of negative 1 multiple of 4 and x. So now let's solve. So from here we have 1 times x is equal to x. X times 2 is equal to 2x equal to 3 times 4 12. 12 times 2 24. So we have 24. Oops. And here there's a negative sign. So negative 1 times negative 4 is negative 4. Negative 4 times x is negative 4x. So negative 4x. Now, combine like terms. So before we combine, we need to transpose x to the front. So it will be like negative 4x positive 2x equal to 24. Because x has a similar term, 4x and 2 term are similar term, they will be combined. So negative 2 combine positive x. Negative 4 it will be negative 2x. Let's put it here. Negative 2x equal to 24. Now, our leading term has a 2 on it, so we need to divide negative 2x in both sides. Negative 2. So this will be x equal to 4 divide 2 is 12. So here's the final answer. X is equal to 12. So that's mean this x missing term is 12. That's how you solve rational equation. Now I'll give you more example. Let's give more example. Now what if 3 and positive 1 equal to 5 and negative 1. How do we solve this? Like before, we will take the new denominator and then we'll multiply it to the numerator. So we'll take both the denominator. So n plus 1 and then n negative 1. We will multiply this on the numerator, so we can take the value of n1. So here, let's rewrite 3 multiple of n1 positive 1 multiple of n negative 1 over negative positive 1. So as you can see, we will cancel out this because they are same. So the answer on the first is 3 times n of negative 1. And then the second one, let's do this. So it said, let's rewrite it first. So 5 divided over n negative 1. Now let's multiply n positive 1 multiply of n negative 1. So as you can see, the denominator has a similar term on the negative sign. So what we'll do is cancel out those two, and then you will be left of, there's an equal in here, the given, so it's equal to 5 times n positive 1. Now let's solve. you will use is multiple distribute multiplication. So n times 3n, 3 times n is 3n, and then 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, equal to, as the same here, we will use distribute multiplication. 5 times n is equal to 5n, and 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Now, after solving it, we need to transpose the expression to the right side, left side, and then the constant to the right side. So it will be 3n negative 5. It will be turned negative because you transpose it, equal to positive 3 and positive 5. Combine like terms. Positive 3 combine negative 5. It's negative 2. So negative 2n equal 3 combine positive 5 is 8. Because your expression has a number on it in the front, so we need to divide it by its number in both sides. So 8 divided by 2 is positive 1. It will be n equal 8 divided by 2 is 4, so it will be negative 4. So here's the answer. That's how you solve it. Now let's give more example. This is the last example. So what if 1 over 4 equal to 3 over 4?